What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we will be working up with the general of the product setting. Okay, so we have general, display, inventory, and downloadable products. Okay, so let's just go with the general right now. Okay, we have the weight unit. This is the kg. You can select pounds if you want to. Okay, but we will be going up with the kg, and the dimensions unit is going to be centimeter. Okay, so this will help you in controlling the shipping rate and everything. Like if this is 2 kg, you can add one more shipping in that. Okay, so you can add that. Okay, and then we have the enable reviews. Okay, so how this is gonna work, if I just come here, you can see that people can review my product right here that we added. So and this is showing that you can enable the reviews, show verified owner label on customer reviews. What they mean is that if someone has bought this product right here and then he leaves the review, then it will show a verified owner in the background, in the brackets, that this person has basically bought this specific product. So this I mean. Okay, so you can just show it, and you can also just check it that reviews can only be left by verified owners. If I just select it and save the changes, and then I come here and refresh this, you can see that I haven't bought this product, so I cannot add the review. You can see it says only customers who have purchased this product may leave a review. This is coming since I haven't purchased this product, since this product is not under my account page and under the order section. Since I don't have made any order yet, that is why I cannot add the review right here. Okay, so this is what they mean. Okay, and then we have the enable star ratings, and then we have the star ratings should be required, not optional. Okay, so this is really very important because we need to add the star ratings. So reviews can be left by verified owners. I'm just gonna uncheck this, but I would highly recommend you to check this out because reviews should only be left by verified owners. Otherwise, what is the reason of the reviews, man? Seriously, if no one has bought the product, then there would be fake reviews and something like that, and your company's name would go down. So make sure that you check this one. This is really important. Okay, and then we have to go to the display right here, and in the display we have the shop page. Okay, the shop page display show products. You can show the categories and show the categories and the products in the shop page. Okay, and then we have the default category display, so it's going to show the products, show subcategories, and products. Okay, so what they mean, basically, I'm gonna explain you everything. So this is basically the shop page. If we go to all pages, okay, and then here we go to shop right here, so you can see these pages are defaultly created. If we go to shop page right here and then we just hit edit, then you can see here's nothing. Okay, here's nothing coming. But this is the WooCommerce shop page. This page is a special archive that lists your product. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here and you can see shop page is my this page. I can choose any other page to be my shop page as well. But why? If this is created, the shop page is created, why would I need to add any other product? Add any other product, associate that to the shop. Okay, so then we have the shop page display. The shop page will only display the products. It will not display the categories, otherwise it would look a mess. Okay, you can design your home page, but your shop page should only show all the products that has been added to your site. Okay, so if I select that shop page show categories, and then I come here and then I refresh my site, you're gonna see instead of this, here will be a category, and this is showing t-shirts. Okay, I'm just gonna come here again. I'm gonna select that my shop page show the product. If I select shop page show categories and products, then it's gonna show both the things. Okay, let's just come here. You can see t-shirts and then t-shirts for men. So it is so also confusing. So make sure that you select only one. Otherwise, it totally depends upon you that what settings you want to go with. So then we have the show products, default category display. If I just come here and I open this up, you can see that here I have the t-shirt. So this is basically called the default category. If I come here, you can see it is showing default category display products only. you can show subcategories. We can assign subcategories. You guys already know about it. So you can also show subcategories, and you can also show subcategories and products. But since we can, this is the default one, so this will all be applied to all the categories. We can make some categories that we're gonna work with, and we're gonna add to be like these categories will only show subcategories only. Okay, I'm gonna show you that how can you create those categories that only show the subcategories and not the products associated with it. Okay. And then we have default product sorting. This is like custom ordering and the name. So like it will be like how the product will sort on this page right here. So if I just go to shop page right here, you can see that my products are basically sorted. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit show products, and then I'm gonna hit save right now because I want to show the products in here. So I'm gonna refresh right now, and you can see this is right coming. So this is like how you want the sorting to be. So I can like the popularity, those products that has the most sales, they will come on top. So you can like sort and like this. Okay, you can also go like average rating, show the most recent, but you must go with the custom ordering and name. Okay, so like it will come with the name, and then it will come with the custom ordering. So if you want to bring any product to the top, you can do the custom ordering as well. Okay, and then we have add to cart behavior. It is like when someone adds a product to the cart. Okay, so if I just hit add to cart, what it's just gonna do, enable the eject cart add to cart button on archives, redirect the cart page after successful addition. What is this? Let me just come here, and you can see that if I just click here, the Ajax is gonna work. Ajax means that the page will not be loaded, and the product will be automatically sent to my shopping cart, which is this. So if I just click here, just see this, that this quantity will be increased. This will be set to 1 item, and this pricing will be updated here. Let me click here. Here we go. This is right here. The page didn't load, so this is we call as Ajax. And if I click here, you can see this will be removed. Let me come here and let me just click here. Okay, on clicking this, and then I hit save, and then I come here and then I refresh my page. Okay, and then you're gonna see that if I click here, it's gonna redirect me to my cart right here, and it says t-shirt for men has been added to your cart, and now you can update your cart, or you can go to proceed to checkout. We have also added the shipping rate as well. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. These settings are really very important, and make sure that you understand each and everything. If nothing is visible clear to you, make sure to ask in the Udemy question form. Okay, you guys already know about it, that how you can ask. Okay, let me uncheck this, and if I just uncheck this and then I hit save, then you can see that the Ajax will not work. Okay, so if I just hit add to cart, this page will load, and then the product will be added to my cart. So let's just hit. You can see the page is loaded, and then it is coming that your product was added to the cart. Okay, so I would recommend you to go with the Ajax, because this is really important, and this is the new functionality. So why are you just being like, I don't want to use it or something like that? Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna go down, and then I'm gonna hit save changes, and now we're totally done with this display. We're also here with the catalog images. This is basically called the catalog. In the shop page is called catalog, so it's gonna show 300 by 300 pixel images only. So make sure that you leave it as default, unless you want to just have your own settings, and you are just being so designy that you want to everything to be perfect and everything should be of this size and this size, then you can manage them. But we will be doing this later on when we will build our professional based website, so do not worry. Okay, and then we have the inventory system. This is also really very important. What is inventory? Okay, let me just basically explain you. You can see that if I have this product right here, if I just open this up, and this product, I have only this product and 20 in my warehouse. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go to edit product, and then in there I will mention somewhere that I have only 20 in my stock, so that this will appear right here. We will understand this later on. I'm just telling you that this is the option and you can do it. I will show you how you can do it later on when we will move side by side. Okay, so this is like enable the stock management. This is basically referring to this, that how many products you have, it's going to manage everything. And if the products reaches that, like if all the 20 are sold, then no one can buy from it, and it will be automatically hidden from my shop page. Okay, so this is how this WooCommerce work. Everything is right here. Hold stock minutes. Hold stock for unpaid orders for X minutes. When the limit is reached, the pending order will be canceled. Leave blank to disable. Okay, so this is like for pending orders, if and we have the products left, okay, like we haven't shipped the product. If we have got a product right here and the customer hasn't paid us, okay, so then his order will be left, okay, for 60 minutes, and after that his order will be canceled and we can ship that product to somebody else. Okay, so this is what I mean, and his order will be automatically removed from the panel. And make sure that you add that in your terms and conditions, because they're really very important. And if you don't mention that, then any of your customer can sue you for this. Not sue, but anyone can say that they are like this and he won't trust you. So make sure that you just explain each and everything in your terms and conditions page. Terms and conditions are really very important. Many people say that no one reads this, but especially the girls. Even my sister reads every terms and conditions. She says that why don't you read the terms and conditions? Whenever I want to buy something for anyone, I read the whole terms and conditions and like this. So make sure that you add it, because some people do read the terms and condition, and make sure that you some of you also must be reading the terms and conditions. So make sure that you mention that. Okay, and then we have the notification recipients. If any order is right here, okay, then the email will be sent to this. Like if two products are left, then an email will be sent to this email address that hurry up, you have 2 products left, please get them, or just and update your products in the settings, and that update that you have so much quantities left. Okay. So then we have enable low stock notifications, enable low out of stock notifications. These notifications will be sent to this email address. Then we have low stock threshold. So this is like when it reaches 2, the low stock notification will be sent to this. Out of stock threshold. So this is 0. When it's 0, the notification will be sent to this email address. Out of stock visibility. Hide out of stock items from the catalog. This is what I'm saying right now. Okay, so if I have 25 products and all of them are sold, okay, then I want to hide the product. Obviously I don't want to show it in my catalog. You can show that out of stock is here if you want. If you just hide it, or if you just uncheck it, then the title will appear that it is out of stock and no one can buy it, but it will still be appearing in the catalog of yourself. So you can do that if you want to. It is not a problem. Okay. And then we have stock display format. Always show quantity remaining in stock, like example 12 in stock. Only show quantity remaining in stock when low. Example, only 2 left in stock. Never show quantity in remaining stock. So if I just come here and I have 25 in my stock, then it is going to show that 25 are in stock. You have to mention that. I will show you how you can mention it, so don't be confused. But let me show you. Let's just go to edit product right here. Okay, and then let's go down. And let's go to inventory right here. Okay, and then we have the stock, manage stock. I just click here and I have the stock quantity. I'm gonna select here, like I have 20 in my stock, and then I hit update right now. Okay, and then let's go ahead and let's view the product. So you can see that it is showing 20 in stock right here. So if someone buys it, it will be 1 less. If someone buys it, it will be 1 less. So I can also choose like if only show quantity remaining when low in. So we have low threshold is to set to 2, so that if if it is set to low and this limit is reached, then it will only show that only 2 left in stock, and a red alert will be like here. So you can also do it like that, and you can also show it that never show the quantity remaining in stock. So if I just come here and I refresh this, you will see that it will not be appearing. Okay, it is coming in stock, but it is not coming that 20 in stock or something like that. So you can just also show it to just increase the credibility, like no one can know that what is the quantity. So if I just come here and I just go, I cannot go beyond 20 because I do not have more. If I just come here and I add 25 and then I try to hit add to cart, you can see value must be less than or equal to 20 because we have 20 in stock. So this WooCommerce is really clever, guys. Okay, So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit this. Always show the quantity remaining in stock. I'm gonna hit this, and you can see everything is totally up and running. And now the last thing we have is the downloadable products. So you can see file download method. It is going to be forced download. If we have any of the product that is the software, and if someone purchases it, then it will be automatically downloaded. You don't have to go in the download page and find the link to download. The forced download means that it will be automatically downloaded. Excel accelerated and redirect only. It will redirect you to the link and then it will download. So you can choose that how you want it to be. Downloads require login. Okay, so you have to select it because the person has to log in and then he can download. Okay, grant access to downloadable products after payment. Enable this option to grant access to downloads when orders are processing rather than completed. Okay, so you have to check this one because this is also important, and you can also check this one if you are selling some software. Then people can log into your site and then they can download from this my account panel and then that. Okay, so you can also select this one. So now we're totally done with everything in the products, and in the next video we'll be working a bit tax, shipping, and everything. So stay tuned and bye bye.